You have $100 in your wallet right now, but in 10 years, it will buy you far less than it does today. No crisis, no crash, just quiet erosion. This isn't a secret or a conspiracy. It's just something most people never feel explained clearly. So let's slow it down. Most people think inflation only happens when something goes wrong, like wars, pandemics, or shortages. That's not the kind we're talking about. We're talking about inflation that happens when everything looks fine, when the economy is growing and the news sounds optimistic. Because inflation isn't a flaw in the system, it's part of how the system works. So where does money actually come from, practically speaking, not philosophically? Physical cash exists, but it's a tiny fraction of the total money supply. Most money is created digitally by banks. When a bank approves a loan, new money appears instantly in your account. No vault, no transfer, just numbers added to a system. Multiply that process across mortgages, car loans, business loans, and credit cards, and trillions of dollars are created. And this expansion can't stop because the system depends on continuous growth to survive. Imagine the same amount of goods, but suddenly far more money chasing them. Prices rise even if nothing else changes. That's inflation in its purest form. More money, same stuff, higher prices. The Federal Reserve openly targets inflation every year, and over time, compounding quietly does massive damage. Your money doesn't collapse overnight. It melts slowly and predictably by design. The people closest to newly created money get to spend it first, before prices adjust. Everyone else pays later. Wages lag behind because paychecks are negotiated in yesterday's dollars. That gap never fully closes. Inflation encourages spending and borrowing, which keeps the economy moving, even though it punishes savers. When money printing accelerates, inflation spikes, and it feels like a crisis instead of a policy outcome. For everyday people, holding cash means falling behind, while asset owners and borrowers quietly benefit. Your $100 is still there, but it's already worth less than when we started, and it never stops losing value. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button so the algorithm knows I'm not just yelling into the void. And subscribe for more real talk about money, life, and building the kind of wealth that actually means freedom. Catch you in the next one.